Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
My name is Demas Kenji Abkare. You can call me Kenji. I'm from Depok Sawangan. And I'm 11 DKV in SMK Iden boarding school. Okay, today I want to IELTS speaking test. So there are 10 or 7 question from the teacher.
Okay, thank you. For first question, describe your house.
Okay, I will describe my house. My house have 2 floor, but it's not big or large. And then have 3 bedroom. Bedroom, and then 3 bedroom, and then in the second floor there is a room for cloth for to drying and the washing machine. And then there and have a big 2 TV. One TV is just for watching, and then one TV for playing PlayStation or another. Okay, sir.
Okay, the second one. Please describe the room you live in.
Okay, my room is not big but have a high roof. There is a double bed for me and then for my brother. And there is a big wardrobe for clothes when I wear. And then there is a bookshelf. There is many book like novel, comic, and then Quran. Okay.
The third one. Are the public transportation facilities near your home very good?
Okay, public transportation is the near is just a bus. I never use them, but my mother have used. And my mother said it's the bus just go to Lebak Bulus station, and then my mother after that my mother was trying to go to the office or Jakarta. And then there is angkot.
Public transportation.
Angkot. I usually use for go to the mosque or my friend home. Okay, sir.
Okay, the fourth one. Which part of your home do you like the most?
I love what can I say? Yeah, my room, because I can rest in that room, and then I waste my time in my room like playing games or sleep. And then I can private study, just me single or alone in that room. So there is no disturb or distraction for in outside the.
The next one. Would you change anything to your home? Why or why not?
Okay, maybe I have a room for my laptop or computer, and then in the back is just a table, and then in the back that is a wardrobe, and this wardrobe like a storage is just toys, my sister, and then book. What I can say, book never I read or usually I read. And then the book is so not tidy, I think, and is many is what can I say, random. And then there is a tools or box, phone box. Yeah, you have to buy a phone, and then you take the phone, and the box is your put in the wardrobe. And I will change it. Maybe when I go to home, I will take the box and the book, and then I will take all of my sister toy and bring it to she's room.
Okay, next one is the last.
Class.
Sorry, 2 question more.
Oh, the question.
Which room does your family spend most of the time in?
I think in the living room. I usually living room is beside of my my laptop rooms. So my family in living room to watch me or guard me. So I can answer or talk with them if I get mistake or I get trouble. Or in living room, I usually come to living room and sharing or talking with my family. All of them sharing like what my future, and then what my goals or what my progress in IDN like SKL, and then what my what my attitude in IDN like my tahajud or my pray sunnah. So yeah, all my family is still use living room for sharing moment or talking moment, just for a family moment. Okay.
The last question for you. Can you describe the place where you live?
Okay, I live in housing complex. Its name is Sawang Regency. There is three side. The first is 1 and 2, 3. I live in the back side of my housing complex. And beside my housing complex is a river from the a river is not big and is no the deep, yes, in just a river, yes, river. And then the street is from the info apps, it look like a good street that like use asphalt. But when you go back street, there back side of my complex, there is the street is changed, become to asphalt to be a stone. Okay, enough. Close. Okay, maybe that's all my IELTS speaking test. Sorry if I have mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.